Hola clase, feliz martes. For today's lesson, you'll need the vocabulary that you wrote down from yesterday's assignment. So we have two parts in this lesson. The first part is answering the question, ¿te gusta? So ¿te gusta means do you like? You'll be writing statements about whether or not you like the pictured activity. So you might see something like this. So you're going to need to check your vocab list for how to say to iron. And it is really important that we are trying to spell things correctly. So once you know this means to iron, you are either going to answer no me gusta planchar la ropa or me gusta planchar la ropa. So I want you please to answer in the question bar which one you think means I don't like to iron clothes, A or B. So here's the first one. So here's the picture. So you got to look up what the picture means, and then you're either typing me gusta for I like or no me gusta for I don't like. And please make sure that you're spelling the words correctly. I will be marking things wrong for words that are spelled incorrectly. So you should have either answered no me gusta escuchar la música or me gusta escuchar la música. So here we have a te gusta and then a picture of Coraline watching her favorite show on TV. So go ahead, tell me how you feel about this activity in Spanish. So you should have either had no me gusta mirar la televisión or me gusta mirar la televisión. So those are your full sentence answers that are going to get you credit, okay? So again, either no me gusta lavar los platos or me gusta lavar los platos. So this is our last slideshow where I'm showing you the answers. So if you would like to write down the phrases no me gusta and me gusta, I know that you for sure have me gusta on your vocab list, but if you are concerned about maybe forgetting, write that down. All right, so here's your first activity. All right, here's part two. So part two, we're going to be working with the question te gusta más, which means like, which one do you like more? So in your answer, you're just going to pick one of your options and say, me gusta más. So maybe you want to write that down, that that's going to be your answer for the last slides. Me gusta más. So if these were our two options here, the question is, ¿te gusta más usar la computadora? That's our first picture. O tocar la guitarra. So o means or, so you're picking between those two things. Which one do you like more? So you'd pick one answer, and I would answer for myself, me gusta más usar la computadora. If you notice, I didn't include the accent mark here. That's just because it's okay if you don't include accent marks on our virtual learning. We're going to cover that at another time. ¿Te gusta más? ¿Te gusta más? This last one is a person resting. Whoops.